Students, now we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise number 6.1. In this question, we didn't have any figure. We are not given any figure. We have to make figure. We have to draw a figure. Okay. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree, and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. First of all, angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. It is X, it is Y, and it is Z. It is 64 degree. It is given. And XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. It is point P. XY को point P तक produce किया. And XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, here ZYP, this angle is bisected. This angle is bisected by the ray YQ. This ray YQ, here YQ, this ray YQ bisects this angle ZYP. Clear? These two angles are, that means same. Suppose it is X, it is X. Clear? Find angle XYQ. XYQ. This full angle we have to find. Okay. And second, reflex of QYP. Reflex of QYP. That means this full angle we have to find first of all. And then we get the reflex of angle QYP. Okay. So, first of all, given angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. This implies angle ZYQ is equal to angle ZYQ is equal to angle PYQ. PYQ is equal to X. Let. Clear? Okay. To find, first one is angle XYQ is equal to question mark, and second, reflex of angle QYP is equal to question mark. Clear? Now, solution. See, in the figure, this angle, that means angle PYX, will make 180 degree. How? This angle plus this angle plus this angle. All three angles will have the sum 180 degree because it is linear pair, axiom. So, from figure, angle PYQ plus angle ZYQ plus angle XYZ is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Clear? So, PYQ and ZYQ both are X. So, X plus 64 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2X is equal to 180 minus 64. Clear? So, X or 2X is equal to 116, and X is equal to 116 upon 2, that is 58 degree. X is equal to 58 degree. That means these both are angles are of 58 degree. Clear? Okay. Next part, angle XYQ. XYQ. We have to find angle XYQ. See again from figure, XYQ is equal to sum of these two angles. So we can write angle from figure, angle XYQ is equal to 64 plus x, and x we have find 58 degree, so is equal to 64 plus 58. Angle XYQ is equal to 122 degree. It is 122 degree. Okay. Now next, reflex of angle QYP. So QYP. Okay. So how we find reflex of angle QYP? See, QYP, that means this full angle. It is, this angle is 58. This angle 64. We have find angle XYQ. Okay. Now reflex of angle QYP. QYP. See, QYP is also x, isn't it? Since angle QYP is equal to x is equal to 58 degree, therefore reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degree minus 58 degree. Okay, that is 302 degree. So this is the answer. Okay, so pause the video to be noted down.